Milestone.com proof of achievements for Milestone 3. So today I'm going to take you through some of the features that we have implemented for Milestone 3 of this project. I'll sort of separate this video into two sections. The first section would mainly focus on the public pages or the pages that do not require authentication to access. And the second part will be on an expansion on the bookmark feature. So I'll start off with the public pages. We can head over to Catalyst Explorer to do this. So on the left of the screen, you can see we have a menu with the different links to all the accessible pages. I'll start off with the proposal page, which is number one on the list. As you can see here, the proposal page has some filters that you can play around in case you're doing research. There is different views that you can click to view by. You can filter to quick pitches if you want to see only proposals with quick pitches. We have the normal filters, we have the normal sorts. As you can see here, numerous options to go over or sort proposals however you'd want. We have at the top here a filter by fund, which would help you just see which proposals are from what fund. The second page would be the idea scale profile, where we have a list of all the proposers that have submitted projects for the different funding rounds. We have the counts of the total proposal that are submitted and the names. These profiles, if you click on them, you can link to the individual idea scale profile page or the single page, where you can further get details about the different proposals, their connections, the groups they belong to, some of the reviews for their projects, and milestone reports. The next page would be the groups page. So this is just the list of the different groups, the different metrics, say the proposal counts, the reviews count, the amount of funding they've received over the various funds. Clicking to it again will lead you to the groups single page, where you can find more information about that particular group. The other page is the funds page, which is just a list of the different funding rounds that Catalyst has held. And at the top of the page, you see a graph of that will show you how many projects different funding rounds have had, completed projects, all the funded projects, and you can sort this just to see the count of completed projects, the count for the funded projects, and the total of everything. On top of that graph, we have quick metrics just to give you a quick view of how the funds have been distributed in the different currencies that have been given on the different funding rounds. Now the last page, or the last page on this section, will be the bookmarks page, the public bookmark page. This is where all the publicly created bookmarks will be listed. So users can create bookmarks and decide whether they want to share these bookmarks with the communities or they want to keep them private. So all the public created bookmarks will be listed here, and of course you can sort according to these different options, say the budget for all the items they've added on their bookmarks. You can sort them by name or when it was last modified. The next feature I'd want to take you through is the registration feature. So people can come to the site and just register without having an account previously. So there are two ways to do that. As of now, there's this quick button at the top left of the screen that does a quick registration. There's also one that you can find in the login page. There's a link on the login page. Let it load for a minute. Yeah, so here we have a sign up link that will take you to the registration page, where a new user can just create an account. We'll do that really quick here. You can create an account, and this will navigate you to the portal, the dashboard on your portal side of the application. Yeah, so that's how you can register a new user basically. We have a registered user. The next step is to discuss the bookmark feature. Now, there are two ways to create a bookmark. The first option, if you go under the My List link, this is where all the created lists or bookmarks will be displayed. There is a button on top here to create a new list. This button, when you click it, it will take you to a workflow. This is just information telling you why you're on this workflow. Click the next button. Here there is a form to put a name for your bookmark. So say the app proposals. Let's just copy this and paste it at the description there. Let's set this one as public since we want to share it with other people, meaning other people can see it. Let's also enable the comments. Let's add a color to it, color theme to that. Let's mark it as draft. Click next. So the third step is where you can add items to your proposals. You can add items to your bookmark. Sorry, this is where you can add items to your bookmark. The different items you can add. You have the proposals, you have ideascape profiles, you have groups, you have reviews, you have community. So those are the options that we have as items for now. So let's start off by adding proposals. The app. Let's see. We have several projects here. Let's add them. You can see the count goes up here just to let you know how many you've selected. We can add a few ideascape profiles. Let's add Darlington, Dorilo, Darius. Also the count goes up to just keep a record. Let's add a group. So Lido is our group. And a few others. Let's add some reviews for those D app projects. So you use the project title to get some of the reviews. These are several reviews from that project. Marketplace also. So we have 6 reviews. You can add a community there. Let's do Kadam over Kofi. And you can now move to the next step. So the next step is adding a rationale. I'll also just paste this here. And you can complete. Now your bookmark has been created. Now, because we set this as a public bookmark, so you will be able to see it, of course, under your My List section, or on your portal list section. You can also be able to see it on the public view bookmarks page. So this is our proposal that we created, or our bookmark that we created. Now, as the owner of the bookmark, there is a feature to sort of edit or manage your bookmark. So if you look at the card, there is a manage button here, which will, when you click on it, will take you to the edit page of your bookmark or the manage page of a bookmark. On here, there is a number of things you can do. One, you can remove an item from that bookmark. So let's say we're removing this. Let's remove it here. The app template GUI. So that's gone. Let's remove this also. Remove it from this list. So we have those removed. The next thing we can do here, we can add new items. Say we want NFT. Let's add some NFT proposals in there. Just click on them. Let's hide those options. And they should be loaded down here. Yeah, we have the NFTs loaded there. We can do the same for all these other items. We have a comment section down here where people will be commenting on your lists. We have a list setting link over here that will enable you to change the different names. So you can just say that we added NFTs, so /NFTs there. Let's deactivate the comment section and just save it. So this is where you can manage the different things. So as you see, the comment section has disappeared. The title has been updated. You're also able to see your bookmark list as other people will see it. So currently you are the owner, so you have access to this place, but other people will have a different view from what you have and different things they can do. So if you view it as a public, you have this view. The comment is deactivated for this one, so it doesn't appear there. You can search. So in this side, this is a search bar just to search on the different items that were here. So if you just want to see the NFT items, the public facing side will be able to search on your proposals or the different items that you have. They can just search people. Say you just want the Dare NFT, you can search them. And yeah, that's what other people will see your bookmark like. You can toggle back to the manage. And you can come back to the settings of the edit page. So let's log out and just see how logged out user will be able to see your public proposal. Is it public? Yeah, it's still public. Let's add a comment there so people can comment on those on this bookmark. Let's save that. Okay, let's log out here. Okay, let's go to the lists. So here is our NFT. It's the first on the list. Let's go view it, view the list. And yeah, so as a normal user, this is what they will be seeing. There's a comment section here, so they can come and add comments. You can add comments there, and the comment will appear. They can view the different parts of your list. They can search through your items. Search through items and so on. You see the comment count is there. So logged out users won't be able to access your manage. They'll just see a view list button, as compared to the owner who will see now the manage button that will take them to the edit page. So those are the different features that we've added to the bookmark feature that used to exist in Live Donation. So yeah, I guess that's all on bookmarks for this video.